Activity 4 in the personal finance project is the budget. Okay, so you have to complete a monthly budget that is budgeted down to the dollar. For this project, we are using the app called everydollar.com. Now, previously in this class, we've all already logged into EveryDollar, and you should have already put down your monthly income. You'll notice here that that's what I've done. I've put down my monthly income right here. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, that this should be net income. That means after taxes. So your income is here. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should have already put in your cost of health insurance. So we've all already figured out our cost of health insurance. We did that in activity 1, and that should be right here. So make sure and have the health insurance. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put in this budget every single thing that you will have to pay, everything that you've come up with in activity 2 about student debt, and everything you've come up with in activity 3 about the cost of life. All right, so for instance, if I have already done activity 3 and I know what my mortgage is or my rent is going to be, then I can just put that here. So I say, okay, I know my rent is going to be $800 a month, and I can put that there. And then I can find my utility from activity 3. Let's say my water bill is going to be $35 a month, and I can put that there. All right, so you're just going to go through and you're going to go exactly, $120 a month. You're going to put all of these numbers in. Now, I want to show you something. The thing that students make the biggest mistake on, their biggest mistake, is that they do not customize the budget. They leave things on there that they're not going to use. Like, let's say, for instance, I have this category of personal cosmetic, and you're not someone who needs that. You don't want that. Well, you can delete that category. You can press right here, just click the button and get rid of the category. Do you want to delete it? Yes, I do. Delete. And now you've done it. Now, let's say that there's another category that you just want to change the name of it. Like, let's say it says right here, mortgage and rent, but you don't have a mortgage, you just have rent. Well, you just change the name. Okay, just change the name. Just type in a new name there. Customize your budget. Now, here are the requirements. Please pay attention. Every single item that was listed on activity 3, you need to have in this budget. Okay, so you need car insurance, renter's insurance, rent, all the utilities, your phone, all of that. You also have to include other necessities, like, for instance, gasoline for your car. You need to add that. You need to add a maintenance for your car. Now, you're going to have to just make your best guess on how much money you need in these categories, okay? I can't tell you for certain how much gas you use every month, but you need to look at your car. I mean, are you buying a good car with good gas mileage? How far do you have to drive to your work? If it's not super far away, maybe you can get by with, $100 a month or something. So have in your mind, just kind of figure out what you think is most likely a reasonable amount and just put it on there. So some of this will be guessing, okay? You will have to guess a little bit. Groceries, going out to restaurants. Listen, all of you have to put something here for groceries, and it's got to be a reasonable number. Nobody put down less than $200 because groceries are expensive. You need to plan at least that much, but put a reasonable amount down there for food. Food costs a lot of money. You also have to put on some personal items, some personal categories. So notice that I have already changed this. I've added a concert ticket that I want to save for. I've added a miscellaneous category. You can have that. Put things that you are probably going to spend money on. Like, think about your spending habits and create categories that are personal to you. Okay? When it's all said and done, go through and delete every category that you don't need. If you're not going to have a student loan, then delete it. If you do have a student loan, put the amount there. Okay? The most important thing is that you have budgeted all of the money. See up here at the top where it says I have $1,100 left to budget? That needs to say 0. It needs to say that you have budgeted everything. Okay, this wheel needs to be completely done. Right now, I've only budgeted half my money. I need to budget the rest of it. Does this make sense, guys? Okay, so if you want more details, more information, check out the page on activity 4 and 5 on the Life at 25 project on Canvas. I've got an example here with details. I've got an example of the paragraph that you have to write, and I have an example of activity 5, which is a reflection. So please check out that page, and I hope this helps you know what I'm expecting of you. Okay, good luck.